Hello everyone, I am back with my readings. So, as I always say, like the channel, subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, and I am trying to bring in some nice giveaways. So maybe one of you will be lucky enough. Already last time in the YouTube, when I went live, I gave 3 giveaways. So I just want to send my blessings to you all in whatever way I can. Now let's go to readings. So let's see what the angel tarot cards are having in store for us. Card 1, I'm going to take out 3 cards today. Okay, so let's see what these 3 cards have come. Ace of Air. That's a beautiful card showing, if you see here, it's more like a unicorn energy. So I feel you'll be soaring high, you'll have new ideas, you'll have new discoveries. Moreover, whatever you take up today is going to be successful. That's again followed by another unicorn thing. It says expecting the worst, sleepless nights, but somewhere I feel I see the brightness here. I don't see something bad going to happen. But let's see what is the third card saying. The Page of Fire. So work on yourself, be confident. Sometimes some news that comes may bring in disturbances, but if we decide that we will not allow any disturbance to trouble us, if we decide that we are not going to allow anything to spoil our peace of mind, then we are on the right track. So today when I see the overall, it's a day of happiness. Maybe the happiness that you're seeking you're not getting, maybe what you wanted or the result that you're expecting you didn't get, but at the same time I still feel something new, something different is going to come, but that's going to bring in huge amount of success, and that's going to bring in a huge amount of happiness in your life today. And if you have made some plans, and I would suggest, don't get upset if those plans are not working. Just let go of those plans and surrender to the divine, saying that today I surrender to you, you take me however you want to take me. Today wear the color orange, because I feel with whatever is happening, maybe you feel little upset. So orange color will give you the required energy and at the same time keep you balanced. So wear the color orange if possible today. You can Bajrang Ban, BAJRANG, Bajrang Ban, BAN. Bajrang Ban is there in YouTube. You can hear the Bajrang Ban and start your day. That will bring in tremendous changes, and it will convert the unwanted energies into positive energies. Also in the morning, take some raw rice and make some cook it and then leave it for your ancestors, or leave it for some stray animal to eat, and blessings will come to you in such a way that you will feel, yes, though I started with my own hesitations how the day will go, but the day was amazing and the day was awesome. Have a blessed day ahead.